A little poke and just enter the cyst. How are you feeling up there? Okay?
Yeah.
Good. Now you can start withdrawing. And it is a ganglion cyst. It's coming out. Yep. Nice easy pressure. You can just kind of hold it there and it's going to keep sucking up. Yep. Don't pull too far because you'll lose your suction. Then what you can do is take another hand. If you could free up a hand. Oh, that's okay. And put it back in. And yeah, now try to give a little pressure and then push. Yeah, there you go. Feel any fluid still? Mm-hmm. You can, if it's not working, just pull the whole needle out and then you can pull through the hole like we were talking. Yeah, there you go. Just keep doing that. And milk from here over. Yep, right there. Exactly.
Just like a cow. Sorry.
Maybe a gauze. This is some steroid that he's going to put in there.
Okay.
Maybe look that way. And that's going to try and shrink it a little bit. So it might fill back up. Good. I'm sorry, the steroid might make it fill up a little bit, so you can put this in a Band-Aid over that to kind of put some.
And this doesn't, I mean, I don't have to do anything to this.
You're going to squirt it all into that. And then you're going to plunger it up and out to get the rest of those cells out of there. We send it just to make sure, but I've never had anything come back bad, but we always have to send them.
Oh.